Health benefits of turmeric. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the health benefits of turmeric. Turmeric, known as the golden spice, comes from the root of the Curcuma longa plant. It's commonly used in cooking, especially in Indian cuisine, but its uses go far beyond adding flavor and color to your dishes. Turmeric in cooking and supplements. You can add it to your meals, like curries, smoothies, and even teas. For a more concentrated dose, you can consider turmeric supplements, but always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. Tips for using turmeric. Pair turmeric with black pepper to enhance absorption. Use it in warm water or milk for a soothing drink. Add it to your soups and stews for a healthy boost. Health benefits of turmeric. Benefit 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric is renowned for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has been shown to reduce inflammation, which is at the root of many chronic diseases like heart disease, arthritis, and even cancer. Benefit 2. Antioxidant boost. It helps neutralize free radicals in the body, protecting our cells from damage. This can slow down the aging process and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Benefit 3. Brain health. Turmeric is great for your brain too. Curcumin can cross the blood-brain barrier and has been shown to boost levels of the brain hormone BDNF, which may help delay or even reverse age-related brain diseases and improve memory. Benefit 4. Heart health. It improves the function of the endothelium, which is the lining of your blood vessels. This can help regulate blood pressure and prevent heart disease. Benefit 5. Joint health. If you suffer from joint pain or arthritis, turmeric might be your new best friend. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects can provide relief and improve mobility. Benefit 6. Digestive health. Turmeric can aid in digestion and reduce symptoms of bloating and gas. It's been used in traditional medicine to treat digestive disorders for centuries. Benefit 7. Immune system support. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial properties can give your immune system a significant boost. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more health tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you next time.